Hi friends, this video is a complete tour guide of the best things to do in Hoboken. This vibrant New Jersey city across from Manhattan offers stunning skyline views, historic charm, and a thriving food scene. Here are 10 must-do activities that will make your Hoboken visit unforgettable. 1. Walk along the Hudson River waterfront. Take in breathtaking Manhattan skyline views from this scenic 2-mile walkway that stretches along the Hudson River. You can start at Pier Park and stroll north past several piers with perfect photo opportunities of the New York City skyline. The walkway is especially magical at sunset when the skyscrapers begin to light up across the river. Don't miss the Hoboken Cove, where locals often gather to watch the sunset over the water. Several benches along the path make ideal spots to relax and enjoy the view with a coffee or picnic lunch. 2nd, visit the Hoboken Historical Museum. Discover the city's rich history at this charming museum, housed in a former brewery building. You can learn about Hoboken's role in baseball history. It's where the first official game was played, and its famous residents like Frank Sinatra. The museum's exhibits showcase everything from the city's industrial past to its immigrant communities. Don't miss the scale model of 19th century Hoboken that shows how much the city has changed. Special walking tours offered by the museum provide fascinating insights into Hoboken's architectural gems and historic sites. 3. Explore Washington Street Shop and dine along Hoboken's bustling main thoroughfare, lined with trendy boutiques and restaurants. You can browse unique shops selling everything from handmade jewelry to vintage records. Then stop at one of the many cafes for a coffee break. The street comes alive in the evenings with locals enjoying the diverse dining options ranging from Italian trattorias to modern gastropubs. Don't miss the chance to try Hoboken's famous thin-crust pizza at legendary spots like Grimaldi's or Benny Todino's. Many stores and restaurants are housed in beautifully preserved 19th century buildings that add to the street's charm. 4th, tour the Stevens Institute of Technology. Campus. Enjoy panoramic views of Manhattan from this Hilltop University campus with a fascinating history. You can visit the Stevens Castle, a Gothic revival mansion that's now the university president's residence, and walk along the scenic bluff overlooking the Hudson. The campus's Howe Center features an observation deck with some of the best views in Hoboken. Don't miss the Babio Center's striking modern architecture that contrasts beautifully with the historic campus buildings. The university often hosts public lectures and events that visitors are welcome to attend. 5. Visit Carlo's Bakery. Indulge in delicious treats at this world-famous bakery, made famous by the Cake Boss TV show. You can watch bakers decorate elaborate cakes through the viewing window while waiting in line, which moves surprisingly fast. The cannolis and lobster tails are local favorites, but everything from the rainbow cookies to the crumb cake is worth trying. Don't miss the chance to take photos with the iconic Cake Boss mural outside the bakery. While the original location can get crowded, there's now a larger cafe nearby with more seating and an expanded menu. 6. Relax at Pier Park. Escape the city bustle at this innovative park built on a pier extending into the Hudson River. You can enjoy unique water features, a playground for kids, and plenty of seating areas with amazing skyline views. The park's design includes hills and valleys that create interesting spaces to explore and relax. Don't miss the pergola walk with its flowering vines that provide shade in summer months. Early mornings are particularly peaceful here, offering quiet moments to watch boats pass by on the river before the park gets busier. Hit the like button if you like the video. 7. Experience Hoboken's nightlife. Enjoy craft cocktails and live music at Hoboken's diverse bars and music venues. You can start with pre-dinner drinks at one of the rooftop bars with skyline views, Then check out the local music scene at venues like Northern Soul. The Washington Street Bar Crawl is legendary, with options ranging from cozy Irish pubs to trendy cocktail lounges. Don't miss Pier 13 in summer, an outdoor bar on the waterfront with food trucks, drinks, and amazing views. Many bars host trivia nights, live bands, and other special events throughout the week. 8. Take the ferry to Manhattan. Experience one of the most scenic commutes in the world on this quick ride across the Hudson River. You can enjoy stunning views of the Manhattan skyline and Statue of Liberty from the open-air upper deck. The ferry runs frequently and drops you right at Midtown or the World Financial Center in just minutes. Don't miss the sunset ferry ride when the city lights begin to twinkle. It's one of the most romantic experiences in the area. The ferry terminal itself is worth seeing, with its historic architecture and great views of the river. 9. Visit the Hoboken Arts and Music Festival. Celebrate local creativity at this popular street fair held several times a year on Washington Street. You can browse handmade crafts from local artists, sample food from area restaurants, and enjoy live music on multiple stages. The festival stretches for blocks and offers something for everyone, from face painting for kids to craft beer gardens for adults. Don't miss the chance to discover new local musicians and artists you might not encounter otherwise. The festive atmosphere with street performers and happy crowds makes this a highlight of Hoboken's event calendar. 10. Walk the Hoboken Historical Walking Tour. Discover the city's architectural gems and historic sites on this self-guided tour through charming neighborhoods. You can see beautiful brownstones, historic churches, and sites connected to famous residents like Frank Sinatra, who was born here. The tour takes you past landmarks like the Hoboken Terminal and the Elysian Fields where baseball was first played. Don't miss the chance to explore the quieter side streets with their hidden gardens and unique architectural details. The walk provides wonderful views of the city and river while sharing fascinating stories about Hoboken's past. That's it for the best things to do in Hoboken. From stunning waterfront views to historic charm and delicious food, this vibrant city offers diverse experiences just minutes from Manhattan. Let us know in the comments which Hoboken activity excites you most, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing travel guides.